Hey, good morning. I'm still in London, so I'm here in Canary Wharf, London. So I went to see this Winter Light Festival show, which is happened from January 21st till 1st of February. So it's finished now. It's last day, last night is from last night. So this morning I would like to see the Crossrail place roof garden here in Canary Wharf as well. And then I might be going to Kyoto Japanese garden. So here we go. Let's see what's look like.
In the quiet of the morning light, where the sun meets the edge of night, there's a beauty in the simple things that only a heart awake can bring.
We are the river, we are the dreamers. We dance through the night, in our bones we can feel it. Aiming for the stars against the sky. When we are together, we are bright. We're light up. We've been waiting for this moment to come. We were made for this adventure. We feel it in our blood. We're light up. Eyes open wide and the world is before us. We are the sound of a beautiful chorus, holding to the feeling, you and I. When we are together, we are bright. We're light up. We've been waiting for this moment to come. We were made for this adventure. We feel it in our blood. We're light up. We have everything we need and we know we were made for this adventure and we were made to go. We're light up. We're light up. Aiming for the stars against the sky. When we are together, we are bright. We're light up. We've been waiting for this moment to come. We were made for this adventure. We feel it in our blood. We're light up. We have everything we need and we know we were made for this adventure and we were made to go. We're light up.
Canary Wharf, London.
We're light up. We're light up.
In the silence of the morning, the sun awakens and opens the world in colors. Each ray is a hug, a promise, and life dances to the sound of the winds. Beautiful life, how beautiful you are. Woven into threads of hope and stars. Every day is a gift, every day is a gift. To paint with love and laughter. On the roads we find stories.
Kyoto Garden,
That
London.
intersect, dreams that intertwine. And in the gaze of the stranger, we find pieces of ourselves.
Am I wrong? Thinking out the box from where I stay. Am I wrong saying that I choose another way? I ain't trying to do what everybody else doing, just cause everybody doing what they all do. If one thing I know, I fall but I grow. I'm walking down this road of mine, this road that I go home. So am I wrong for thinking that we could be something for real? No, am I wrong for trying to reach the things that I can't see? But that's just how I feel. That's just how I feel.
If you're feeling like you need a little bit of company, you met me.
Canary Wharf Winter Lights Festival. 0.20 to 5.
I want you, baby, my sugar boo. I'm levitating, the Milky Way. We're renegading, yeah, 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 yeah.
Look at that. Woo, 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 woo.
You'll have to start singing in a minute. And no one wants that. No one wants that.
You know, don't fight her here. And that is a little bit weird. It's in the water.
deny